Hi there and welcome. Today we're going to be looking inside of this wasp nest that we sprayed a couple days ago. We'll see what the inside looks like and how many wasps were actually inside of this nest. If you missed the last video, you can check it out. I will link it above. As when we were spraying the nest, you could hear all of them buzzing as they were quite mad. It's not a very big nest because we caught it early, but I'm still really curious what the inside looks like and how many wasps we got. So stay tuned to see how many there was, and to see what this thing looks like when we cut it open. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to be notified for every video that we post. If you've never touched a wasp nest before, they are very light, as they are paper thin. So I'm going to try to be careful to cut it open. Oh my goodness. I was quite shocked to see how many wasps there were inside this nest. And I'm glad that we did set out the Y trap because we did capture quite a few wasps. If you missed that video, I will link it above as well, as we thought it tamed it down quite a bit before we started spraying the nest and riling them all up. It's really neat to see all the layers of the wasp nest, and I can't imagine if they were to continue building. So inside here they have some cones with some babies inside. This is where they lay their larvae. It looks like we got it in time, because these little white cocoon sacs are a sign of them almost hatching. You can see some of the larva did wiggle its way out. The larva looks like little tiny worms. It's really cool to see how they designed the whole wasp nest. I still can't get over how many wasps there were inside. The colors of the layers on the nest is pretty neat. And I also noticed there's some wasps in between some of the layers. So after counting all of the wasps to see how many were inside, we ended up with 52 wasps. This is not including the larvae. And if you'd like to see the other video with the Y trap to see how many wasps we captured before spraying the nest. Also look forward to the second Y wasp trap opening, as we left it up for another 2 weeks to capture any extra wasps flying around our yard, because we don't need another wasp nest under our deck. I didn't know if you've seen that or not, but there's still one larva living. I didn't notice that when I was filming. I tore this nest completely apart so you can take a really good look at it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it, or if you learned something. If you'd like to check all the other videos out, I will leave them in the cards or also list them below. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. We'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.